In this video, I'm going to walk you through the 6 emails that you need to include in your nurture system every single month to help ensure that you're building loyalty, engagement, and growing sales. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to show you how to re-engage a list you haven't been emailing for a while. When you think about somebody entering your email list, you really want to think about the journey you want to bring them on to build trust, build familiarity, build excitement, and get them to want to buy your products and services. The more we can create a system that nurtures your audience in a really measurable way, the easier it will be to convert them into sales and to be able to measure what's working and not working so that you can scale your system. I've refined a system that sets up 6 kinds of emails that, when done in this particular order, are more likely to nurture your audience in a really authentic and exciting way. The first email is your permission email. This helps show your audience that they belong. This is really important because they're going to get a lot of emails from a lot of different people. You want them to not only feel like they're getting an email from you, but they're getting an email from a friend, somebody that really gets them. Now, what does a permission email look like? One example that we use at Boss Mom is that sometimes you're a hot mess. The permission we're giving them is to not be perfect, to maybe cry in the bathroom because their kids won't put their shoes on, but then go and hop on a client call 2 hours later and be razor sharp smart. We're giving you permission to not be perfect. That permission lets people know that they belong in our community and they're going to stick around longer because we've created that permission. Next, we have our clout emails. Clout emails are really important because they show our audience that we are somebody worth listening to. There are 2 ways to do clout emails. Either one, you can include an email about your authority platform. It's a podcast, it's a YouTube channel, or it is a blog. The other one is to show that you've been featured. Both of these show them that you are an expert in your space and that you are somebody that they should listen to. The third kind of email is a training email. Now, this is one you probably do most often. This is where you are going to either fill a gap, change their mind about something, or give a hack, show them how to do one particular tactic or strategy. You can either write the training directly in the email, or you can make an email that directs them to a video where you do the training. Either way, this is about showing you in a teaching mode. Next, we have our recommendation email. Recommendation emails are where you recommend a different product. So maybe it is a book you love, or a product you love, or another person and their products and services that you love. This is a great place to infuse affiliate links. This is also a great way to show them that you care more than just about selling your products and services. And if they should love that book or buy that product, then they associate you with that result as well. It is a win-win. It also helps move you into our next one, which is our ask emails. The ask email is where you actually ask them to buy your product or service. Most people aren't doing this. They're either just sending out a newsletter or sporadically asking for a sale. Now, after we've done that, we move into the feedback loop. And the feedback loop is really important because after you've asked them about buying something, you're going to ask them about their opinions. The feedback loop shows that you care about their opinions and what they think about you and your brand. We call these 6 emails your permission sandwich because you really just repeat them over and over again in your email nurture system. You can take these same 6 templates and just infuse them with different kinds of training, different kinds of features, and different kinds of permissions over time to nurture your audience. In fact, my favorite 7-figure clients, they have a whole year of permission sandwiches. Each month, they have 2 cycles of 6, and at the end of that month, they're either doing a 1-day flash sale or a 6-day longer sale. This is a great cycle where you know exactly what you need to write in exactly which order in order to nurture your audience over a period of time. I hear a lot that I have people on my email list already, but they're not really engaging and I haven't emailed them much. So how do I reinvigorate that audience? Call the elephant out in the room. Just email them and simply tell them, I haven't been around much, but there's a lot of changes happening in my business right now, and you're going to be seeing a lot more of me. So get ready because I'm about to give you permission to be who you are, help train you in blank, and we're going to go on this wacky, wonderful ride together. So strap in and get excited. Now, if you want to learn how to create a really amazing opt-in that converts and helps grow your email list, then watch our video over here. And if you want to watch my playlist on how each of these emails are written, you can click down here. Either way, I'll see you in the next one.